Today our topic is Current Affairs Part 16. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB, PSUs. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Who was conferred the National Award for Best Actress at the 67th National Film Awards on March 22, 2021? The given options are A. Kangana Ranaut, B. Alia Bhatt, C. Taapsee Pannu, D. Deepika Padukone. The given option A is correct one, Kangana Ranaut. Bollywood star Kangana Ranaut was named Best Actress at the announcement of the 67th National Film Awards 2019 on March 22, 2021. She was awarded for her roles in Manikarnika and Panga. Which Indian airport has emerged as best airport by size and region in Asia Pacific for 2020? The given options are A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi, B. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, C. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport, Ahmedabad. Correct option is A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. The Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi has emerged as the best airport by size and region in Asia Pacific for 2020. The Delhi airport has been ranked for airport service quality awards in the category of over 40 million passengers per annum. The rankings were announced by the Airports Council International. The Bhopal disaster of 1984 was the result of. The given options are A. Nuclear accident, B. Biological accident, C. Chemical accident, D. Railway accident. The given option C is correct one, chemical accident. The book title Little Book of Encouragement is written by. The given options are A. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, B. Dalai Lama, C. Jaggi Vasudev, D. Acharya Prashant. The given option B is correct one, Dalai Lama. The book titled Little Book of Encouragement is written by the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet. Tenzin Gyatso. Article 370 of the Constitution relates to. The given options are A. Sikkim, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Assam, D. Nagaland. The given option B is correct one, Jammu and Kashmir. The theatre level operational readiness exercise was conducted by. The given options are A. Australian Navy, B. Indian Navy, C. French Navy, D. USA Navy. The correct answer is B. Indian Navy. The Tropex 21 is the largest exercise of Indian Navy. It was commenced in early January 2021. The exercise is being conducted in the Indian Ocean region. India's first indigenous semi-high-speed train named Vande Bharat Express will connect which of the following two cities? The given options are A. Lucknow and Delhi, B. Varanasi and Delhi, C. Mumbai and Delhi, D. Delhi and Bhopal. The given option B is correct one, Varanasi and Delhi. The Vande Bharat Express is also known as Train 18. The Vande Bharat Express will cover the distance between Delhi and Varanasi. For eligibility to Lok Sabha, the minimum age limit of a candidate is. The given options are A. 20 years, B. 30 years, C. 25 years, D. 18 years. The correct option is C. 25 years. As per Article 84B of Constitution of India, the minimum age limit of a candidate is 25 years. What is the rank of India in the World Happiness Index 2020? The given options are A 108, B 144, C 126, D 132. The correct option is B 144. India ranked 144th position in World Happiness Index 2020. Finland topped this report, followed by Denmark, Switzerland, Ireland, and Norway. What is the India's rank in the Global Talent Competitive Index 2020? The given options are A 74th, B 72nd, C 73rd, 78th. The correct option is B 72nd rank. India has been ranked 72nd in the Global Talent Competitive Index 2020. Last year, India was ranked 80th in Global Talent Competitive Index. Switzerland topped this index, followed by the USA and Singapore. The Global Talent Competitiveness Index 2020 was released by the World Economic Forum in Davos on January 22, 2021. The first Vice President of Independent India was. The given options are A. Dr. Zakir Hussain, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C. V.V. Giri, D. G.S. Pratak. The given option B is correct one, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, like and comment about my video. Thank you.